Great thing about this wig, you can just slide it on straight out the box. And the one thing I do love about convenient wigs is that if you are busy and you want to get out the door, you don't want to spend too much time on your hair, you can get the convenience of a straight style and easily style it for work. And I said this already, the 130 density is perfect for the everyday person. I know a lot of you always want hair that is extremely thick. In reality, if you are not like a model, or if you want your wig to look very, very natural, I highly recommend going with styles that are at a lower density because it's gonna look the most natural. Clean girl, smooth look. Just like that, you have a nice sleek ponytail for work that just gives that clean girl. Can y'all see the vision? See? This looks so good. Like, you can see that this is a nice top bun, half up, half down. Not too much hair, it's doing just enough. So if you want to wear this style to work,